So over last 10 years, markets have been actually ruled by front runners. We have not seen too much of a broader market rallying because maybe GDP numbers were falling. As you also mentioned in your presentation, that last decade actually has been not up to the mark,
Not up to the market.
right? And we have, investors have actually learned lesson hard way that good companies are those companies which are secular businesses, like the name that you took.
Yeah.
But what has happened now when the new leg of rally has started, some of the value investing companies have again started to, come and become favor. And today investors are again back in searching for multi-baggers. And they are back on, finding out, they talk that Asian Paints, for example, is 100p company, HDFC Life is a 99p company. Those may be good companies, but they will not compound wealth as maybe some of the other companies will compound. How do you see next 10 years or next 5 years or maybe next 3 years in this context?
देखिए, आपको जो समझ में आता है वही खरीदने का है. आपको एशियन पेंट समझ में आया, क्यों जाने का वहां पर? Why we have to buy that? But there will be at least 5-6 companies you will understand, which is I can't believe that entire market is overvalued. There are enough spots which are reasonably priced. In fact, I have so many ideas which I don't have enough money to buy. I'm really telling you, I don't have enough money to buy. The issue is, see, stock picking is also an art. So how do you find quality company, Q? How do you find growth? How do you find longevity growth in quality? And that to a reasonable price. So understanding of the value, वो बहुत जरूरी है. देखिए, price is what you pay, value is what you get. So price everybody can see. You also know the price, I also know the price. But आज रिलायंस का प्राइस आपको मालूम, मेरे को मालूम है, लेकिन रिलायंस कितने का वर्थ है वो मुकेश भाई को मालूम है, या उसके आसपास के जो उनके एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनको मालूम है. आप बहुत साल से उसको रखें तो आपको मालूम है ना. शायद मेरी समझ कम होगी, but there are some guys, 1,000-1,500 guys who understand the value of it, and they only will make money. The guys who know the gap between price and value, he is going to make money, no? The guys who are not knowing the issue is that nobody wants to do the hard work of trying to understand value of the company. Everybody wants to know the price. So you have to focus on what you know. You don't have to buy Asian Paints. You can buy your own known companies. It can be unknown companies actually. Maximum money is made not in known company. Maximum money is made in unknown companies. You have to bring those companies into the market. You should be the first to buy, way ahead of the crowd. Every company starts very small. Now all the digital companies are coming. And a lot of old companies will become digital companies. जिसमें digital engine लगेगा वो rocket की तरह जाएगा. So there are a lot of opportunities. You don't have to buy those, the ones who have already gone 1000x. They are not going to go 1000x. In fact, you have to buy now the 1,000, 2,000 crore company now, which will become 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh crore companies.
So, over your last 40 years of investing career, what has been the average number of stocks that you would have been holding in your portfolio?
ये बहुत interesting है. मैं जब 80-90, I started getting some money in 1990. Before that, I didn't have any money. So 1990 में हर्षद मेहता बुल रन हुआ, उस वक्त 1990 में I didn't have any money, but say 1 crore I had in 1990 at some point of time. In next 19 months, we made 30 crores and no speculation, only in investing, continuous investing. I'm a very voracious investor. I never have money. हजारों करोड़ कमा ले, लेकिन I never have money in my pocket. I have only shares. So I'll buy against the brokerage itself. So that was my style of buying continuously. So in 1902, when it became 30 crores, of course the market crashed. That 30 became 10, but 10 was also a lot of money at that point of time. And then in 2000, it became 100. So in 95, I first time I heard about Warren Buffett. So when I read his annual letter, I had 225 companies in that 10 crore portfolio. A lot of bad delivery shares. ये वो मिलाकर मेरे पास 225 company के shares थे. And then NSE came, which actually allowed me to trim the portfolio, because earlier this this physical thing was there, where you go to sell 90, you will be able to sell 85 only. So something will be left. But in NSE, you could, in the screen, you can sell exactly what you have. And that's how we started selling. And we came to 15 stocks. And since then, we run the focus portfolio. None of the portfolios, irrespective of size, even if it is $2 billion, we have only 25, 27 companies. We don't know any other way. We don't have 70, 80, 100 companies. So, but for private investors, you don't need even 25 companies. You should have as many companies as you understand. If you understand only one company, please have one. You'll do the best. I'm telling you. The richest guys in the world have only one stock: Microsoft, Walmart, or Facebook, or Amazon. They're single stock guys. So why do you need more than one? और एक कंपनी तो समझ में आएगा ना भाई.